Hello and welcome back, Grillman's Garage. Just a little preface to the video you're going to see. It's all about waypoints, and the Lito X1 does an excellent job. I basically did a figure eight around 2 points of interest, and on the figure eights as they looped around, I zoomed in and zoomed out, changed speed, changed altitudes. It's just a different way of doing it. So you basically just plunk all your points down, and on each waypoint make sure you've got your heading the right way, you've got the tilt the right thing, you're looking at a POI and you're tilting your POI to the ground or up. Just make sure you've got all the angles correctly, and you just let it go and see what happens. And that's what we did. Let's have a look. And welcome back, Grillman's Garage. We've got the Lito X1. It's a beautiful craft. It flies phenomenally. We've got some waypoint missions to do. Kind of a dive bomb waypoint around a corner, around a POI, zooming in, zooming out, stuff like that. We're going to give it a try. It's never failed me yet. Might this time, could hit a tree. I don't know. We're going to find out. Okay. It's got great range, great video, great pictures. Imagery's good. What's lacking in it is features. It doesn't have a whole lot. It's got the quick shots and the master shots. It's got a circle, a rocket, but that's about it. They're all target orientated. So if you wanted to do a circle around a field, you couldn't do it. You have to have a target, and it has to lock onto that target. That's just a minor thing, but there we go. And I noticed that I had to dial down the noise and up dial the sharpness. One up on the sharpness, one down on the noise. Let's get it up. Let's see how high 40 meters is, okay? Oh, and you'll notice one thing here. I got my little prototype here. My little prototype. I'm going to be making a shell with 3D printing, and we've got the mini nubbies on. The mini nubs. Okay, there we go. Let's get this going, and up we go. So I want to go up to 40 meters right here. Let's go that way. Okay, where's 35? We'll go 35. There's 31. Let's look around, and we want to make sure we are higher than any tree anywhere. And I would say, let's see it to 40. Yeah, I think we're pretty good. I don't think there's anything around us that's right. Okay, got 84% in the battery. That's good. We're high enough. What I did was, and I'll show you on this when I get turned around again here. Here we go. So we're going to head out that way. Okay, let's get this up here, and we're going to go. We're going to leave it like that, but we're going to put this waypoint mission up here. Okay, boom, and I just made it. Okay, so there we go. Okay, it goes out to a point of interest, goes up to 60 meters, loops around, comes down, dive bombs around, zooms in, zooms out, comes back, zooms in, zooms out here. Okay, and at the end we've got it returning to home, continue if lost signal, and I'm going to start and stop the video. Okay, just let's see what happens here. So let's start that video, shall we? Here we go, start the video. Boom. And we're going to go next and go. It should go up to 40, I believe. 40 or 50, I can't remember. 45? 50. 45. There we go. Let's head out to number 2. And I have to check on the speeds. Okay, it hasn't started yet, but we're at 7 meters per second. And it hasn't changed anything yet as far as the angle. I changed the angle to 16 degrees. Let's see if it goes. There we go, 16 degrees. Okay. Maybe I should have gone 18. But anyway, it's going out now, and it's at 52. It's going to climb to 60. And then it's going to start looking for, right down there below, you see a little patch of grass. It's supposed to zoom around this little house here on the bottom. See how close Google Maps was. Okay, there we go. As it comes in, it zooms around, slows down to 4 meters per second. It's supposed to right about now. 4 meters. It zooms in, 2 times zoom. Stay up at 40. There we go. That's 2 times zoom coming around. Okay, and then pretty soon it should be zooming back out again after this next one comes around. I didn't really anticipate getting that, but anyway. There we go, and now it should be turning to the left and zooming out again. Zooming out, yep, zooming out to 1 again. That's very good. Aiming for home. And we're going to have a look at this. It's coming to the next one. And coming back across. It's not a very long one. It's only 2.5 minutes long. Okay, and it should come around the left side of the house. It's going about 9 or 10 meters per second. That's how fast I went. And as it comes to this one, it slows down and makes a left turn and looks at the point of interest. Zooming down on the house there, but we're still up at 50, going down to 40. Whoa, that looks awfully close, but we're zoomed in at 2 times, so we're still good. Whoa, look at that, eh? And it goes around at 4 meters per second. That's the house. And one more little turnaround there. My grass is growing not too bad considering all the damage in the wintertime. We look awfully close, don't we? But we're not. Okay, pretty soon now it's going to come back up and go to 1-time zoom, I think. And that's pretty good. Here it goes. 1-time zoom. Keep on looking. 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the ending should be about now. There we go. And then it should return to home. That's not bad. That's 1-time zoom. Yeah. There we go. And I could change that last one to be looking at about 18% instead of the 16, or maybe the 12%. That's pretty good. It's coming in. Let's see, I've got my finger on the pulse, just waiting. Here it comes. Because it's never landed on the box, and it's a big red box with a white dot in the middle. Pretty hard to miss. See what happens with it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, stop. Look at that. Look at that. Hey. Is it going to go down? Yep. Nope, but I don't want it. It's off by, a foot. Okay. Let's go forward a bit. Okay, there we go. So that was it. A really interesting waypoint mission. So you can speed up, slow down, go up, come down, turn around corners, zoom in, zoom out. It does a really good job. It really is a really good job. Okay, the Lito X1. I mean, for the price now, okay, yes, it's a little higher on the sub 250, but it's got everything. It's got the LiDAR. It's got the optimal return to home. It's lacking in a few AI flights, but it just works, and it's rock solid. So, is it a leg up in the Mini 4? Oh, by far. 1/1.3 camera, amazing. Just dial it in a little bit. It's going to be great. They may be tinkering with that a little bit later, but yeah. And as far as waypoint missions go, amazing. Really, really good. Okay, so it's better than the Mini 4, better than the Mini 3, because it's got so much more to offer. The Mini 5 Pro, nah, it's not going to beat that one, but it's up there. I'd say this is their best entry-level drone ever, and I'm even talking the Mavic Mini, and the Mavic Mini was by far their best, and they did the Mavic Mini, they did the Mini 2, 2 SE, Mini 4 on the same platform. This one, it really done a good job. It really is a good job. Okay, if you can get it for a good price. I had, we're way up there. Come on down. I had a bunch of coupons from DJI, so I piled them on. So I paid a little around $300, just over $300 for it. And I just wanted the basic kit. And I'm going to wait for maybe a Black Friday or a Black Thursday or Cyber Monday sale. I'm going to get an extra battery. But right now, battery's doing pretty good. We're at 61%. We started at 84. You can't complain. It does a really good job. It doesn't take that long to charge up again. So, very good. Let's land it, shall we? Okay, let's turn this way and come backwards. So what do you think about my little nubbies here? Okay. What do you think of these? Can you see them there? Little nubs? I like them. I've got a bunch of them. But more about that later. More about that later. Let's come back. Whoop, there we go. And all I do is pick up my pizza box. Okay. And come forward a bit. Okay. And my pizza box. And perfect landing. Pizza box landing every time. Okay. We will see you later.